Hello and welcome to Dark Knight. In this video, I am going to show you some fantastic chess traps on Bird's opening. Now let's begin with our first trap. In this, White begins with f4, then d5, knight f3, h5, White plays g3, then h4, knight takes h4, then Black plays e5, f takes e5. Now here, pause the video and find the staggering move for Black. The move is rook takes h4, and if g takes h4, then queen takes h4 is a beautiful checkmate. In our next trap, White begins with f4, then d5, knight f3, knight f6, then knight c3, and here Black plays knight c6, then e3, Black plays d4, e takes d4, knight takes d4, and here White plays bishop c4, then bishop g4. Now here White plays a killer move, knight e5, sacrificing the queen, and if Black is greedy to take this queen, then bishop takes f7 is a beautiful checkmate. Now in our next trap, White begins with f4, then d5, e4, d takes e4, knight c3, and here Black plays knight f6, queen e2, then bishop f5. Now White plays queen b5 check, and at the same time attacking this bishop on f5. So the best option for Black is bishop d7, then queen takes b7, Black plays bishop c6, and now here pause the video and find the staggering move for White. The move is bishop b5, then Black plays queen d7, bishop takes c6, queen takes c6, and now queen c8 is a beautiful checkmate. In our last trap, White begins with f4, then d5, h3, black plays e5, then g4, and now queen h4 is a beautiful checkmate.